This video walks you through the steps you need to take if you are planning to introduce a new product to the market, but first you want to forecast the demand for it. Since no historical data exists for the new product, you need to find some old products that show similar historical sales patterns and assign these to the new product as reference products. Before you start the actual steps, we recommend that you check the list of prerequisites on the SAP Help portal. Now that you have everything in place, you are ready to assign old products to the new one. For this, open the Manage Product Lifecycle app. Choose the planning area you want to use, go to the Product Assignments tab and choose Add. A new window opens where you can choose the product to which you want to assign references. Just enter the first few characters of its ID. Then you can select the launch dimension, which you will need to specify time-related settings such as the forecast start date, the phase-in or phase-out dates, and some curves. As the next step, you need to add your product assignments. By default, the new product is assigned to itself for all customer regions. Let's assume now that for the customer region Central Europe, you want to use HT_002 Clevertelly 48-inch silver as a reference product for your new product. You must choose a value for both of the attributes in this example, because the administrator has defined them as the assignment levels that should be used in this planning area. The first level is always Product ID, and 2 additional attributes can be chosen. If you think that the sales pattern of this reference product is less similar to that of the new product than others, you can choose a weight percentage by which the system should multiply the historical values of this product when it considers the assignment. For example, you can enter 40% for the weight and save. Then, go to the section showing the history of the reference products and choose a key figure, for example, delivered quantity, and then simulate to see the historical values. Now you can add a second reference product with a higher weighting factor, for example 60%. Again, you save, select the same key figure, and simulate. In the history, you can see that for quite some time no historical data exists. To include only meaningful data, you therefore define validity dates, excluding the periods without data. Select January 1st, 2018 as the valid from date and October 31st, 2018 as the valid to date. The assignments you have created are valid for specific customer regions. For all other customer regions, the new product will be assigned to itself with a weighting factor of 100%, meaning that none of the existing products will be used as references for it. To use this reference, you have to activate it first. When you create more than one assignment for a new product, it may happen that the reference products also have reference products assigned to them, and the various products form a chain containing items with different weights and validity dates. You can get an overview of such a chain by choosing the hierarchy icon. If you want to maintain many assignments at the same time, you can also use the upload feature on the overview screen. To get the correct format of the upload file, you can download an existing assignment as a template add your assignments, and upload it again. To ensure that the assignments you have made are used for forecasting, you need to set the forecast models to consider product lifecycle information. The rules you have defined are then considered by the statistical forecasting or demand sensing jobs based on these forecast models. The forecast engine now uses the historical data of the product references to calculate forecasts for the new products. If you do not want to use reference products anymore for your new product, you can delete or deactivate the references. You have now learned how to assign reference products to a new product and specify settings for these assignments.